In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Smartsheet private. This is an important step if you want to ensure that only specific individuals have access to your sensitive information. Let's dive in and start by opening your Smartsheet account. First, navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home area. It's the central hub where all your sheets and features can be accessed with ease. Once you're there, go ahead and locate the particular sheet you wish to make private. Opening the sheet is as simple as clicking on it, which will take you to the details and functionalities of that specific sheet. Next, you'll want to focus on the right-hand corner of your interface. That's where you'll find the Share button, prominently positioned and easy to identify. Clicking this will initiate a sharing window, which is your key to managing access. This window lists everyone who currently has access to your sheet. This is critical because here you can review and control who should or shouldn't see your data. Now take a moment to carefully review the list of users or groups who have access. It's crucial to determine if there's anyone whom you do not wish to share the sheet with, and if there is, it's time to remove them. Next to each user or group listed, you'll see a small X. This simple, intuitive feature is your tool for choosing privacy. Clicking the X right next to the username will revoke that user's access instantly. Remember, this doesn't notify the user they're being removed, so handle this with transparency and courtesy if needed. After you've gone through the list and removed any unnecessary users, don't forget to click Save. This final step confirms and stores your new sharing settings, ensuring your sheet remains as private as you intended. It's always a good idea to double check that you've saved any changes before exiting the window. This prevents any accidental changes from not being applied, preserving your intended security settings. With these straightforward actions, you've successfully limited access to your Smartsheet, effectively making it private. Following these steps ensures that only the relevant parties have access to your shared information, enhancing confidentiality and control over your workflows. By understanding and utilizing these sharing settings, you're not only protecting your data, but also promoting a productive and secure collaborative environment. Remember, maintaining privacy is an ongoing process, so regularly review your sharing settings to remain confident that your data is only seen by the eyes you've personally selected. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to make your Smartsheet private. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check back for more helpful tech tips and guides.